topic that I am going to discuss is that the difference of equation and identity. What is the difference of equation and identity? That I am going to explain today. Simply, equation is the statement of equality which is true for certain values of variables. Let us consider an equation like 2x plus y equal to 6. This is a linear equation in x and y. This equation is only true for some value of x and y. If we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then this equation will be satisfied. So, this is equation which is true for x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. And this is not true for all the values of x and y. And the difference of equation and identity is that, what is identity? Identity is also a statement of equality. It is also a statement of equality which is true for all values of variables. Identity is also a statement of equality which is true for all values of variables. I am going to give some examples of identity. That is, some identities are like algebraic identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2a. And this is true for all values of a and b. Whether we put a equal to something, b equal to something, we will get the LHS equal to RHS. The next maybe identity in trigonometry, like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is also equation because there is a statement of equality, and this is true for all values of theta. So this is identity. Now I am going to explain some differences, like the difference of bar graph and histogram. What is the difference of bar graph and histogram? Bar graph and histogram. In bar graph, bars are separated to each other. In bar graph, bars are separated to each other. Like this is a bar, this is separated to each other. And in histogram, bars are adjacent. Like bars are adjacent to each other. That means they are not separated. Now the next difference that I am going to say today is that the difference of sequence and series. The difference of sequence and series. The first thing is sequence. Sequence is the arrangement of numbers. Sequence is the arrangement of numbers in a certain patterns. Or order. Sequence is the arrangement of numbers in certain patterns or order. While series is the sum of sequence. As example, sequence like there may be arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, but I am going to some examples of arithmetic sequence like 5, 10, 15, 20. This is AP. The difference is 5. So this is a certain pattern. While series is the sum of sequence, and the sequence 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. Series is the sum of sequence. Now the next topic is that the difference of permutation and combination. The difference of permutation and combination. The difference of permutation and combination. The first one is permutation. It is the arrangement of numbers. And it is the selection of number. I have taught so many differences in mathematics. Now the thing that I am going to start is mensuration. Mensuration, the formulas of some geometric figures, and what is difference between 2D and 3D. One thing that I have to discuss the difference of 2D and 3D. 2D means 2 dimension, 3D is 3 dimension. 2 dimensional. 2D means 2 dimension and 3D means 3 dimension. The next difference is that we cannot carry 2D figure. We cannot carry or pick up the 2D figures like rectangle, square or other thing. We cannot carry it from one place to other place. We cannot pick up that. And 3D figure we cannot. We can carry it from one place to another place. No more to it. And I think there are some topics that I will explain in other class, in next class. So thanks, keep watching.